Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean my exhaust on my side-by-side. I usually clean my exhaust on my machine, but at the end of every season I try to kind of take it off and give it a deep cleaning because there's a lot of areas that I can't get to. It's going to be winter here in Michigan, so riding is going to slow down a little bit, so I figured it was a good time to take it off and get it clean. So I'll show you what it looks like and then I'll show you how I'm going to clean it up. Alright, here's my exhaust off of my side-by-side. This is the Dasa exhaust for the Yamaha YXZ. It's a stainless steel exhaust, but there's a lot of mud and dirt just kind of scorched onto the pipes. And you can see there's little like pits of rust that we're going to try to get out. But I mean, for being like a year and a half old, this thing looks really terrible. I didn't like spend a bunch of time cleaning it beforehand because I knew I was going to deep clean it, but you can see how dirty these things get. First I'm going to work on the header pipe, so I'll set the muffler aside. So the main things that I'm going to be using to clean this is WD-40 and a Scotchbrite pad. I just cut off a couple pieces of the Scotchbrite and it usually works pretty good. First I'm gonna just kind of spray it down with the WD-40 and kind of get all the main dirt off of there with like a rag. I got some of the dirt wiped off, but it didn't come off real easy, so I'm just gonna start with the Scotchbrite and WD-40. The tubing does have like a grain to it, so the grain kind of moves perpendicular to the pipe here. So I'm gonna try to stick with the grain, just kind of work around with the grain. Let me try a test piece here. I'll wipe that off. You can see that it's cleaning up pretty good. It takes quite a bit of elbow grease. It's a lot of work to get all this dirt off, but hopefully the end product looks pretty good. I'm gonna keep doing a little bit more and I'll do like a time lapse or something. Alright, I did a bit more scrubbing. I'm going to wipe it down and see how it's looking. I know it's going to need a lot more work. I just want to kind of check how it's doing. It's already looking a lot better. I can see a lot of spots I missed. I might have to get in there with maybe a wire brush or something. This area right here is really tight, and this middle pipe here is really hard to get to. So I'm going to keep working on this. Alright, I did a bit more scrubbing. I'm going to wipe it down and see how it looks. I'll probably have to do a little bit more. It's not looking too bad. I see a lot of spots that I missed, so I'm gonna keep touching it up. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and then we'll move on to the muffler. All right, I got it about as clean as I wanted to get it. There is still some pitting in here from dirt and corrosion. Also, the rocks come up and slap the exhaust right here, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna go get the YXZ all muddy this weekend probably anyway. But once you use the WD-40 and Scotchbrite, it makes it a lot easier to clean off for many months. So it stays looking good for quite a while. Like I say, I only do this once a year. So this is what it looks like. I'll do a before and after. Now I'm going to move on to the muffler. First I'm going to soak it down with this Dawn Platinum Power Wash stuff. I use this on a lot of different things. I've never actually used it on an exhaust, so I'm kind of interested to see how well it works. I am going to wipe it all down so this doesn't like burn off or make any smoke or anything. Alright, now I'm going to let that sit. Alright, I let the Dawn sit for a little bit. I ended up just cleaning up my bolts and nuts that go to the exhaust. So I'm going to try to wipe it down, see what I got. The Dawn didn't do too bad, but there's still a lot of crust at the ends here, and my sticker is kind of discolored. I'm going to try to get some of that discoloration off. I'm going to use another Scotchbrite pad. I don't want to scrape this up a bunch, but there's already a lot of little scrapes on it, so I'm not too worried about it. I'd rather get all this junk off. So I'm going to use the WD-40 again. See how that looks? So it's getting it off of there. It's going to take a little bit of work, so I'm going to keep scrubbing on it. Alright, I scrubbed the ends pretty good. It looks like maybe I didn't quite get to it in time as far as cleaning. There's a lot of bubbling that got through that powder coat. You can see the bare metal down there. It's not terrible, it just looks kind of bad. It's pretty unfortunate, but now I'm going to try to clean up the stickers here. Yeah, I got pretty deep there and it's still not looking much better, but I got it to look a little bit better. It's got some rock chips out of it. Alright, the muffler looks a lot better. It's still not perfect, but that's just because I didn't take care of it all that well. But it looks good enough. I'll throw it on and show you what it looks like before and after. You can see how much better the exhaust looks now. It's much easier to take the exhaust off than to fit in this tiny little engine compartment here. I'm a bit disappointed that I couldn't get that discoloration off the stickers and about the corrosion at the tip, but I'm pretty happy with how it looks. That's all I do to clean my exhaust. I do like to wipe down the exhaust as much as I can with a clean towel and just get all that WD-40 Dawn or whatever cleaner residue that I'm using off of there so it doesn't like smoke or anything. I do also let it sit for a couple days so the cleaner has time to evaporate or dissipate a little bit, and it might smoke a little bit when I start it up, but I've never had any issues with like any catching on fire or a bunch of smoke or smells or anything like that. Just maybe the initial little bit of smell, a little bit of smoke, but after a couple miles, I mean, I'd never noticed anything. If you have any helpful tips or tricks for cleaning an exhaust or protecting it, let me know, because the WD-40 does do good at cleaning, but I'd like to add a little more protection, maybe something that would wash off pretty well, but I don't know of anything else that like kind of coats the exhaust because it does get so hot. So if you have anything, I'm open to suggestions. I'd like to find something that works maybe a little bit better, but I've read a lot of forums that say they just use WD-40. I tried it, it ended up working, but I'm not saying it's the best thing out there. That's just what I do. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe consider subscribing. We have a lot of really awesome videos coming out soon, so check those out when they're live. I've noticed more and more viewers are subscribing lately. I wanted to thank everyone who subscribed or even watched the videos. We really appreciate it. YouTube's hard, but it's kind of giving us some hope. But thanks for watching. I'll see you later.